So today I'm going to show you how to use Knick-Knack's frozen pie crust, some great easy tips to use them. So if you're using a filled pie and you need a top, you have two bases in a box, one for the bottom and one for the top. The easiest way is 15 minutes on the counter, take it out of the wrap, flip it upside down on a piece of parchment and remove the foil. And we're going to make a top now for our filled pie. Press it out slightly until you get to the diameter of your pie, which is 8 inches. I'm just going to cut a vent in the top, and the easiest way is just to place it on the pan or on your filled pie and carefully pull your parchment paper off. And cut it down to size. To egg wash the pie and sprinkle it with some sugar. This is our finished filled apple pie.